Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. If you're new here, this is RosesGlam of RosesGlam. So on today's video, without taking so much of our time, I am going to take you through to step by step on how you can easily fix your lashes without any problem. So if this is what you want to watch, stay put, don't go away. Before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, why don't you consider hitting on that subscription button right down there and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. One more thing, I just want to let you know that whatever thing that I'm going to use to fix these lashes is from RosesGlam, except the mirror. So feel free to check our website. The link is at the description box. You are going to find lots of beauty essentials there. So as time proceeds, I'm going to unleash them one by one. So today we are going to do lashes 101. So relax, grab your coffee, grab your drink, your popcorn. Let's just do this together, okay? So what we need in fixing these lashes, I've had a lot of people complaining that they don't know how to fix lashes, they don't want the problem and all that. Fixing lashes is not a big deal, it's not problem at all. I am going to make it so easy and simple for you, to slay your lashes anywhere, anytime you want, okay? So what are the things that we need? First of all, we are going to grab our mirror. If you want to fix your lashes, don't depend on that mirror at the wall, okay? Definitely you are going to struggle with your lashes, which you don't want to do, okay? One more thing, you need your tweezer. If you're a professional fixing someone's lashes, you don't need tweezer. It's not advised that you go for tweezer. You use your hand because the person might shake or something and this gets to the person's eye. You don't want that, okay? Guys, please don't mind me. I have catarrh. My nose is running like water. So if you see me doing, pardon me, okay? So what else do you need? You need your lashes. Like I said, whatever thing I'm going to use in this tutorial is from RosesGlam. This is just a sample, okay, from RosesGlam. That's maybe when people order things, I usually throw one of this inside so that they can try our lashes, okay? I'm going to go ahead to show you what our lashes looks like, the packaging and all that, okay? So this is one of it. This is for vegan, okay? This is strictly for vegan, but any other person can wear it, but vegans, these are for them. And it's quite so natural that when you wear it, nobody is going to notice that you're wearing something like this. They come in 5 different patterns, okay? This one is gentle, I have natural, I have cocoa, I have Chloe, and one other one. So they are so subtle. You have no problem when wearing this. You will not even, none of the lashes you feel anything, just that this one particularly is for vegetarians, and you wear it. People who doesn't like to wear lashes, or who feels that they've been seeing a lot of people wearing lashes and the lashes are kind of too long and all that. Because of that, they're trying to shy away. This one covers you, you have no problem. And if you can see the packaging, it has mirror inside. Even if you are outside, you want to wear it, you can easily look at the mirror and slay your lashes. And apart from that, even if you don't want to wear your lashes, you can easily use this when you go outside, when you go party, club, or whatever thing you are going to. You don't want to carry heavy things, you just throw this in your bag, okay? And yeah, we are good to go. And this is how it is. It comes with our logo RosesGlam in front there. Yeah, so this is strictly for vegans. Like I said, every other person can wear it, all right? And another one is this one. This is 3D mink lashes. You might see this one, they come in 9 patterns. When you check on our website, you are going to see all this, okay? You are going to see the patterns there. Weightless, don't mind the length. Yeah, it's not everybody that like to wear long lashes. It's not everybody that like to wear something that is so obvious, but those that like to wear it, feel free. This is weightless, you don't feel anything. They come in 9 patterns. Like I said, it's like this, and our logo is here as well. And when you look inside, this one is called dolls. They come in different, like I said, 9 patterns, and they have their separate names, okay? And when you look at the back here, you see how you can maintain your lashes and how you can reach us if you're having any issue. Okay, so this is it. I am now going to go ahead to fix the lashes, and yeah, let's just do this. Okay, said you need your mirror, you need your tweezer for personal use, you need your lashes, and one more thing you need your glue. I have made it simple as ABCD. You don't need to use your glue that you use. It will be all over everywhere. So this is 2-in-1 magic liner. Don't mind me guys, something interrupted, so I had to voice over this. So it comes in different colors, but just know that the content is black. Okay, it's 2-in-1 magic liner. You can use it as your liner and as your lash glue, and it's customized. If you buy it, you will see RosesGlam. It is RosesGlam MUA, but it's now RosesGlam is created at the back there. Okay, so I'm going to use it to demonstrate how you can go ahead and use it to fix your lashes. All right, before I start, whenever you finish using this thing, make sure that you place it on this direction. Okay, don't put it like this when you cover. Of course, don't put it like this so that it won't get dry so easily. Just always when you cover it, place it down here so that it won't dry so easily. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, I have already done my eyeliner. This is 2-in-1 magic pen. Okay, 2-in-1 liner. You can use it as your liner, you can use it as your glue as well, but in this case I'm going to use it as only glue because as you can see I've already placed my liner. So let's just go and do this. So before you go ahead to fix your lashes with your mirror, you are going to face down like this. Why? Because when you face down like this, you are going to see the line where your own lashes are. Okay, that way you should be able to take the false lashes very closer to your lashes. Some people, when they fix lashes, when you look at them, you can see in between their lashes and the one they fix inside there. You don't want to do that. Okay, you just want to do something that when you fix it, nobody can see. Even if it's long, nobody can see any the difference between your lashes and whatever thing you fix. This is how you go about it. Take your mirror, you go ahead to line it. If you want to know which one supposed to be on the right side and on the left side, when you take your lashes, they should be facing front like this. That way you should be able to dictate which one goes to the left or which one goes to the right. Don't mind me, I was looking at myself instead of the length. Okay, so I'm going to take this one now, and before you go ahead to fix your lashes, first of all you have to measure it and be sure that it fits, because some lashes are longer than your the normal your real lashes. Okay, in order to get the accurate size, you go ahead first of all to try it. See, in this case I am not going to trim this one. As you can see, they fit so well. Okay, and it's so easy because I am facing down like this. When you're looking at the what do you call it, when you look at the mirror at the wall, you struggle to fix it because what you are seeing is up there, you are not seeing your own lashes. Okay, that is why you need a small mirror to look downwards like this to fix it. Okay, see, easy peasy. So as you can see, this one is done, but we are still going to adjust it when I'm done with this. I'll go ahead to put glue on this one. I did not put the glue on two of them at the same time because I don't want it to get dry before I could finish on the other one. So I will go ahead to do this one. It's just simple as ABCD. As you can see, it holds it. Whenever you want to take it out, you take it out. Okay. And when you are taking the lashes, as you can see, I'm struggling to grab this one. Make sure that you take it from at the edge of the lashes and take your time to remove it. Don't force it out. Okay, you might end up pulling the hair if you are taking it this way, just from this edge. So in order to be sure that you get it, all you need to do, just get something like this, a stick or a brush that is round. Use it to press it down so that it will click with your own lashes. I don't know what is wrong with me. My eyes is running, my nose is running. And when you fix this and when you do this and you see that at the corner is a bit up, all you need to do is to take this just around the area is up. Just don't forget, this is when you can use your tweezer, use it to push it in. So normally you go with your mascara first before you go ahead to fix your lashes, but in this case I fix my lashes before the mascara. I am not going to put mascara on it. I see some people, they go ahead to put mascara on their lashes. I felt that it will make it to be heavy, you know, which is not advisable. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead to put mascara on my own lashes. I'm going to go underneath, you know, that way it will give it that dark shade, whereby when you look at all of them, you know, you can't see any different. Okay, don't mind this particular eyes, it has been tearing, and as you can see the makeup is crazy, it has gone out, so I'm going to manage it that way. So this is it. Tell me what you think about it. This is how you can go ahead to slay your lashes. And someone asked me, how can you fix your lashes, you know, wearing it for maybe a week or so or more? If you fix your lashes and you don't want to, you don't feel like taking it off immediately or whenever you finish or in the night, you don't need to wash your face, kind of running water on your face. All you need to do, use your hand towel, you know, put the soap you want, you know, use it to clean your face, you know, taking your time to wipe the makeup, clean your face, keeping it clean. You can clean your eyeshadow, then your lashes remain intact. Okay, I don't know if this answers your question. Okay, I forgot, did I say that you can trim your lashes? Yes, I think I said it. You can trim your lashes if it's longer, and when you are trimming your lashes, never you trim it from the shorter part of the lashes, trim it from the longer part, because the longer part goes by the outer corner of the eye. So you trim it from there, either one or two, you know, strands that you trim out. Okay, unfortunately I can't trim this. Is kind of perfect for my eye. It's not that long. It's okay. So this is how you go ahead to fix your lashes. Don't mind me. See, I'm tearing. I don't know. I made up this evening and the water keeps coming. I don't know why it's so, because it's been a while I made up. Okay, so if you like this video, do not hesitate to give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, why don't you consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. My returning subscribers and my new one, you guys are awesome. This is for you. Thank you once again. And yes, feel free to visit our website. You know, we have lots of things which I will be bringing up to you. You know, feel free to check it out. The link is at the description box. You know, check it out, place your order, we will deliver it at your doorstep. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You know what, I will catch you up again on our next video, but don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now. Bye.